This video is about how to give a speech. Introduction to body language. Body language is basically the language our body speaks. How we use our face, hands, and eyes really matters a lot. For example, when you're happy, you smile. When you're sad, you'll be sulky or irritable. Or when you're angry, you clench your teeth. So all these things are the body languages. Let's talk about hands. Remember how you say bye to a friend using your hands, even if you didn't say a word, or how your mother or father uses hands when scolding you. Now let's talk about eyes. How your mother stares at you when she doesn't want you to do a task. She uses her eyes, right? So I hope the language of the body is clear to you now. Next is confidence and voice. Suppose if we talk to somebody and we use a lot of filters like and avoid eye contact and keep on looking here and there nervously, it won't look confident. So it is really important for a speaker to be confident, speak with no hesitation, shyness, and in an audible voice. A confident speaker always attracts the attention of the audience. We should use our voice in a clear manner and should be able to modulate it. It should be loud enough for the audience to hear us and pause at the correct places. We should not be very quick or very slow. So, body language, confidence, and voice come together, the speech will be effective. If even one of the three is missing, the balance of the speech goes out. Now you will see parts of speech. Every speech has three parts: ethos, pathos, and logos. Ethos is it's about developing trust to convince the audience. Pathos means it's about emotion to persuade an audience by appealing to their emotion. Logos means to convince an audience by use of logic or reason. As I've told you, ethos is basically to build trust and to build credibility. So here you will see an example of ethos. There is a daughter who is trying to convince her mother to open a new fashion store. She is using the technique of ethos, pathos, and logos to do so. She says that this store has branches all over India and it has branded products, which mean it's not a local store because it has many branches and sell branded products. So here she's trying to build trust by saying good things about the store. So we can say that the girl is trying to build trust by saying good things about the store. She adds she will also provide customized dresses and open a stitching center along with it. Here, she is trying to build credibility by adding more details about the store. Now, the mother will believe her when she is thinking about the store has branches all over India and also it has customization. Our audience also believes in us if we build that trust. In pathos, you have to make a connection with the audiences. For example, the girl says that if she starts a store, it will make her happy and she will be financially independent. She'll have a sense of security and can contribute to the causes she cares about, which will make her mother also happy. By saying so, the daughter is trying to make a connection with her mother. In the same manner, when we give a speech, we need to ensure that we connect with the audience's emotions with the right choice of words. Next is logos. Here we need to give proof to the arguments, give the audience evidence of what you claim. For example, The daughter says that her fashion store will have clothes for youth as well as adults. Before she starts, she will examine the material and fabric, quality, finishing, brand reputation, construction, return and exchange policy, etc. By saying so, the girl is giving logic to her arguments. It's really important to back up your points with logic, reasons, or proof. Our audience also should be able to understand the reasons behind the statement we say. So we need to give the evidence of what we claim. Now you can choose any topic and using the body language, ethos and pathos and logos, you can create a speech.